Hey everyone, Vanessa Jensen with Shure here at the Charlotte, North Carolina stop on our Innovation Lab Roadshow. Really excited to introduce our new IntelliMix Room kits, which are certified for Microsoft Teams Rooms environment. You get everything you need for small, medium, large, and reconfigurable spaces in just 4 SKUs. So we're including our MXA 902 ceiling array with loudspeaker. We also have, as part of this kit, our Microsoft Teams Room compute device, which is your Microsoft Teams Room with built-in Hudley Connect app and Shure's IntelliMix DSP software. We also have a touch panel control featuring one touch join. Also connected to this touch panel control, you have the ability to have USB-C ingest for any type of content sharing. And we're pairing with Hudley for your video and camera configurations. And this, again, scales from those small spaces to medium, large, and reconfigurable spaces. There are, again, 4 easy SKUs we're shipping this spring, and we're really excited to bring this new certified solution to all of your Microsoft Teams Room needs. Thank you, and visit shure.com for more information.